You are greetings and you're welcome to this video guide. Okay, so this is how I was able to collect my some of my contact information, because I had to switch WhatsApp. Okay, so I had to collect their phone number using this particular WPForms, and then I imported it. Okay, I exported it to my computer and then imported it into my Google contacts. Okay, so in case you're looking for ways to go about something like that, then keep on watching this video. I want to show you how I was able to do that. Okay, first of all, you need to have WPForms on your WordPress, installed on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, you must have known how to install plugins on your platform, on your website. Okay, so just download WPForms. Okay, download WPForms and then try to get the premium. Okay, the premiums are also somewhere on the internet. Okay, I may drop, just comment in case you need, if you need the WPForms premium, just comment that you need the WPForms premium, so I can leave the link where you can get it from. Okay, or I can send it to you directly, maybe via your email. Okay, so just comment that you need the WPForms. Okay, and as this training is going on, in case you enjoy it, please give me a like and hit on the subscribe button to be receiving such this type of information from me. Alright, so let's get started. So this WPForms already installed on my WordPress dashboard. Okay, you can see here I already have like 2 forms. Okay, so what I used to do is, once I collect some amount of data, I will now have to import, export, and then import into my Google contacts, and then I will delete the ones that I've already imported so that new ones can be popping up. You can see here I have about 8 contacts, about 8 entries here for this particular form, and then 5 contacts, 5 entries for this particular form. So these are 2 different forms here. Okay, so but in case you don't know how to start creating forms, let me guide you on that. So once you are in your WordPress dashboard, you can go to add all forms here, then add new. You see add new here by the top here, just click on it. Alright, so they will ask you to enter your form name. Let's say Stanley Maths Teachings. Okay, so something like this. Then let's go for a blank form. Let's go for a blank form. Then click on create blank form. So you allow it to load. Then you can see here, so they will ask you to import. You say you don't have any fields yet, add some. So what you need is just simple, like in my own case, I just need their first and last name and then their phone number. In case you want to also collect emails join, you can also drag your email to this working space here. So let me first of all drag the name, because that is the main first one I will need. So I will just click and hold and then drag it to this place. Okay, then I also look for phone number. Okay, so you can see phone, not this number, oh, not this number slider, not these numbers, just this one that is written phone. You also drag it to this place. Okay, so you drag it to this place. So then you can see here this name first and last. You can click on it by clicking on this name, this side, this section here, and then you edit something. In case you want to edit anything, you can edit this name here, put your name. You can say put your name. Okay, something like this. As you are doing it, this side is appearing here. Okay, then formal description, these ones are left to you, but the main thing there is that we have dragged in the form. And then this phone here, this title of this form, this label must be written phone. Don't say phone number, don't write phone number. If you write phone number and if you import it to Google contact, it will not import with the Google, with the contacts, with the phone numbers. Okay, so it is advisable that you leave it at just phone. Okay, that is the language that Google contacts site will understand. So you leave it like that. Then smart, in case you want it to have an international feature or look, just leave it like you see it here. Okay, you can go by this international, anyone that you want to use. In case you're in the US, you can just put US here. So it's left to you. So after you are done with this one, you just click on save by the top right to save it, to save your form. Okay, you click on save to save it. And in case you also want to add maybe an instruction just before this form, okay, you can come to these settings by the left menu here. You see settings here. Okay, you see notification in case you want to edit some things. Okay, you see general here. So the form description, you can see anything here. Please fill with your correct details. Okay, something like this. So if you go to the setup by the left menu, you see where it's if you go to the field, you see where it appears. Please fill with your correct details just above the form name. Alright, so you can still go back and edit some things you want to edit. Then this notification, we have notification here. So in case you don't want to be receiving mails whenever somebody fills the form, you can just come here and then disable it. Okay, if you don't want your site to keep on sending you emails whenever somebody fills the form, just come here and disable it. Okay, then confirmations here as well. So what will happen when somebody fills the form? Thanks for contacting us. Okay, you can say thank you for filling the form, thanks for submitting your details, I will get back to you soon. Okay, something like this. Or you can still, like confirmation type, you can still change it from message to something else. Maybe go to URL, so you can still redirect them to a particular link. Okay, so once you select that, you paste the link that you want to direct them to. Okay, you can paste the link you want to direct them to. Like I can direct them to this particular sales page here. Okay, so then again you can also show page. Then you select page from your site, from your website. Okay, so it's all left to you, the one how you want to do it. Okay, it's all left on how you want to do your own. Then you can still find other settings to look into here to know which one will suit what you are trying to do. So once you are done with this stuff, it is time for you to get the link. Okay, so this is our form here. Let me save it. So it is time for us to get the link, maybe to put it on our website. Okay, so now the next thing to do, you can see this embed here, this embed by the top right just before save. Click on it and then you see select existing page or create a new page. So they will ask you to embed it in a page. So this your phone should be on a page. So how to do that is for you to just okay, how I did mine is I use shortcode. You can see embed your form manually or use a shortcode. So I used shortcode. So let me click on this, use a shortcode. Then you copy this shortcode here. Just copy. That is all. Okay, I will save, and then I'll then go to my site, to my dashboard. Let me leave let me leave this WPForms page because I'm done with it. So I'll now go to my website. I will leave by clicking on this button by the top right. Okay, then I'll go to pages and then add new. Let me go and add a new page. Okay, then say my new page will be, okay, let me just name it new form. Okay, let me just name my new page new form. Alright, reason is because I will still like get the link to this page, because that is the link people will visit to see my form. So I don't have to make the link to be so lengthy or the title to be so lengthy. It just have to be as simple as possible. Okay, so I've written my page name, and then here that says type or choose a block. You can now choose a block. You can see this plus icon here. Then you select shortcode. Let's search for shortcode. You must not search for shortcode, but you can just write it there. Okay, but for the purpose of simplicity, let me select this shortcode and then I'll put in that shortcode here. Okay, so if I click on publish now, Okay, it is still auto saving. So let me click on publish by the top right. Okay, you can see view page. So let me view this our page on a new tab. Alright, so you can see our page here. So you can see how it's displaying. This is our form. So for me to now give it to somebody, to people to now view, and I will collect their details, I will now copy this link on the address bar. This link now by the top bar, this search bar, address bar. I'll just copy it and then send to my list for them to now click on it, and then it will direct them to this form. Then they will fill it and click on submit, and then they will be redirected to wherever I ask them to be redirected. Okay, so that is it. That is just it. In case you don't want these ones, all this menu to be showing on your own form page, you can still you achieve that by launching Thrive Architect or Elementor, anyone that you are using. Okay, so that this will be a landing page, and that is pre-built landing page, and not just something like a normal WordPress page. Okay, you have to launch it on the Elementor or Thrive Architect. Okay, so that is it. So this form now, I've sent mine to some persons and they have filled the form. That is why you can see, let me go back. That is why you can now see under this WPForms here, I will go to all forms. Okay, I'll go to all forms. So you can see I have Stanima teachings here. Nobody has submitted any entry here. That is why it is writing 0. This one, Stanima serious contacts, about 8 new persons have cleared more than 500 contacts already. Okay, then Stanima WhatsApp contacts, just 5 new persons have cleared more than up to 2K or more than 2K, I don't know. Okay, many of them. So you can now see this one now, like this Stanima serious contact. If you want to now open it and then export to your Google contact. Okay, so you can now open it, just open it, or click on this entries here to review the entries. So you can see some of the entries here. Then you can now click on export all. You click on export all here, export all. Okay, then you come down, you can see this download export file, okay. In case you are good with export, these export options, export in Microsoft Excel, also depending on what you want to use it for. Okay, but I made a mistake when I was trying this stuff. I was checking this box to export in Microsoft Excel. Okay, and I did not know that this one is for the comma separated values, that is CSV. Okay, so if you check this box, it will be exported to Excel, and you still need to convert it to CSV for it to be accepted into Google Contacts. Okay, so that is why you should just click on this download export file. This particular button here will download it as CSV file straight up, instead of you to go run corners, to be going around the processes by clicking on this one. So don't check this box if you just need the CSV file. So click on this download export file. Okay, so I'll click on it now. Alright, so it will start downloading to my computer. Okay, you can see it. I'll just name it teachings, because there are 8. I'll add 8. Let me remember what I'm doing. That is why I'm doing it like that. Okay, so you can now choose where to put it. You can see I've downloaded so many contacts. I've done so many of this stuff before. You can see all of them here in my computer. So I can just do this one and then click on save. Teachings 8. Okay, so it has been saved. You can see it here. It has been saved to my computer. Okay, so the next thing for me to now do is to go to my Google Contacts. I'll go to Google Contacts. Okay, contacts.google.com. Contacts.google.com. You can see there's no contact here on this particular email. Okay, I deleted contacts here and then moved to a new one. So here, for you now to import that contact, you can see import here. You see import by the left menu here, import. Okay, if you see this import, then you click on select file. Okay, then you click on this, select this contact that you downloaded. Okay, this one, you select it. Okay, then click on import. So you allow it, so you can see all done. So it has imported all my 8 contacts. Okay, it has imported all my 8 contacts. Okay, so this is how to do it. So once you check maybe your phone or anywhere, you will now see the contacts have been updated or uploaded to your own phone. Okay, and if they're on WhatsApp, you start seeing them on WhatsApp. If they also have your own contact saved. So that is it on how to gather or how to collect phone numbers or any information and then upload it to your Google contact. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel just to encourage me. Okay, and again, in case you want to delete all the contacts you have already exported so that you can be filtering, the one that you have done before, you just have to click on delete all. Let's go back. Okay, you just have to click on this delete all here. You see delete all, or you can just click on select and then you start selecting the ones that you have done and then allowing the ones you have not done. Okay, so that is how to do it. Okay, so I'll also be deleting this contact because I don't need them in this particular email. So I will delete them right away now. Okay, so let me do that. So then come here by the right menu, right hand side, then delete, move to trash. Okay, I don't need them here on this particular email. So that is it about this stuff. So in case you enjoyed this training, please give me a like, comment so that other persons can also see this video and get value for it. Thank you, and I will see you when I will see you. You get the point now? That is just it.